Hello, amazing and gorgeous viewers. Welcome back to my new video. Today, I have got an exciting video that will amaze you with fantastic ideas for short haircuts. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty, elegance, and allure of these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to steal your heart. So, ladies and women, let's dive into a journey filled with the magic of these hairstyles. Are you ready for some more inspiration? This year, we are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts just for you. These styles are carefully designed to leave a lasting impression, making you feel confident and absolutely fabulous. Prepare for a hair transformation like no other. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art crafted to make you fall head over heels in love. From sleek and sophisticated to bold, this collection offers something for everyone. Just imagine the shine, sophistication, and pure elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, giving you confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning short haircut you have ever seen. Grayish color, whitish color, blackish color, and brownish color. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully selected shades are meant to complement your features. Prepare to be amazed transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We would like to apologize for any background noise. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you desire a chic and sophisticated bob or a pixie cut, this video provides endless inspiration. These hairstyles are designed to make a statement and showcase your unique sense of style. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.